Hey guys, it is the 31st, so tomorrow is New Year's Day 2024. So we always like to end the year with a bunch of different bloopers that we've had filming throughout the year.
These are just some of our favorite outtakes. We always have so much fun going back and looking at our mistakes because we do them all the time. We figured we'd try and wrap up the year 2023, give you something to smile about.
All right guys, enjoy.
There you go.
So guys, if you're liking what we're doing, my gosh, like what we do.
So do us a favor guys, hit that like and subscribe button. We've got some huge projects coming up. So you get notified when we got new projects coming up, and we have a ton of great, really cool, blah, 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 blah. Hey guys, executive member, you get one of these frees. You get one of these free. Also, you get a stencil of the month. Oh my gosh. Like losing it.
The G word because the YouTube algorithm, but you can do this with anything. If you're not into the G word, maybe you can do like a unicorn or something. Or maybe you're really into Beanie Babies. You can make a Beanie Baby out of a table. No, let's try something else. Crap. This one's definitely off. This one could have been cut down 16th maybe, but oh well, screw it.
So this is a great way to do the, this is a great way to do,
I almost said welcome back to the channel. All right, hang on, let's do it again. As always guys, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell icon, give us a, try it again. I barely made it, guys. It took me, I barely made it, guys. What we were at like
60 minutes and 25 seconds.
Okay. So guys, these are pretty awesome looking signs, and damn, hang on, stop it real quick.
Hey guys, that really hits home with me. American made. I think that, oh man, it's tough not to get. Okay.
Dude, hang on. Thing. Freaking mats. Okay. Big shot back on here. Dude, let's try it again.
If you decide to take a liquid volume and a all right.
Now when it comes to exterior signs, the Helmsman spar urethane, making sure. When it comes to exterior signs, that's all right. When it comes to exterior signs, broken record. Let's try this again.
Spins in a perfect circle. It doesn't move. It doesn't random orbital. So even though it turns, damn it.
As long as your cord can reach, or even if you have cordless, do they make cordless belt sanders? I don't think I've seen one.
I don't think I've seen one either.
Yeah.
There's different models, different makes, different, no. Again, I'm sorry. Here's 5 more mistakes. Here's 5. So the sign we're making today is another donation for the raffle for VO2. The sign we're making today is another donation. The sign we're making today is another, and that ends on October 6th. Woo! So today we're carving this cool gem. I don't know, how am I gonna start this thing? Yeah?
Good?
Yeah.
Okay.
I love the way this sign came out. No.
Yeah.
No. I'm trying to fit something. Go ahead. Take us home.
Okay, we're gonna have to edit the hell out of this.
Yeah. You want to do it over?
Yeah, let's do it over. Oh, you know what we should do? We should talk about. So there it is, guys. Those are 5 main reasons why.
There it is, guys. I thought we weren't going that way anymore.
Well, for the outro, we can't do it for every.
Oh, okay.
Right? Like every time, like, hey guys.
All right, so it's okay when you say.
Well, no.
I get
My
it.
God. Anyway, jeez. Try it again.
Here we go. That'll be an outtake.
Yeah.
Hey guys, we are in Austin, Texas. It's the Texas. Hey guys.
Louder.
Even with this?
Even with
okay.
This, yeah.
All right. Hey guys, we are in Texas.
Been a while?
Yeah, I guess it's been a while.
So we're gonna go around and we're gonna find some good. So we're gonna go around and we're gonna find some cool products that you guys were no. Try that again.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do another use a 60 grit with his disc sander. Used a 60 grit disc with his disc sander. All right guys, so here's the deal. We made this thing on the chance that we'll project to work together, and this thing. And anyway, so we're just gonna, dang it. Most of that was okay.
Most of it was.
So where do I go now?
What is it? What's the last thing you said that we'll keep?
Our favorite project together.
No.
All right, let's do it again.
Being gross, but.
Yeah, they can't tell. I can tell you stink.
Do I?
Man.
Shut up. Nah, you kind of can't tell.
You could back it up a little bit. There it kind of shows. Yeah, I think we need to have it back here so you can get above our head, but yet still show that whole thing.
Of the month plus template of the month and a ton of other projects and a ton of other benefits. But this.
That subscribe button and damn, I was going good too. So guys, if you guys don't know, you're gonna like this. This thing was, so start over, or can you cut that off?
But I highly doubt. But that's a good point to bring up. If you buy these oh my gosh. Let's try it again. This thing is heavy. It's well built. It's not cheap. It doesn't feel cheap at all. Try it again. Damn. So this is it, baby. This is everything that comes with it. So if you guys, no, let's do that again.
So this is the area that is a shameless plug for us. No, I don't like it.
No.
It's like $6 a board or less for a 6-foot Peter. Oh boy. Drill for us, and then you can go high end. You can go the big fancy high-end drills as well. We even, no, I didn't.
You can go from something as simple as a hand saw all the way up to a chop saw or even a track saw, all the way up to, let's try that again. I screwed that hole. No.
Okay, number 5. So number 5 is something that I see a lot, especially when you people are using,
That sounded a little derogatory. When you
kind of self-explanatory. Now I'm being redundant. So let's talk about installing and uninstalling the wheels. Pretty fast. Hold the shaft lock as you loosen and I thought we were all done with this. Loosen what the hell is that thing called? That's the nut. The nut, right? Which some people aren't. Most people aren't. We fortunately are. God, where am I going? I don't know. I'm off the rails.
Let's try that again.
Another great,
just keep going.
Which is nice and, like 4 kids in a car going down the road. I think it was English. And a kid in the back seat says, I gotta go to the bathroom. And the kids are just giving them, and then one of the kids in the bottle says, here's a bottle. It's an empty water bottle. Go in the bottle. He goes, no. And they go, oh, come on. We're all friends. Go in the bottle. And he goes, well, all right. So he gets the ball, pulls his pants down, gets up, sticks it up. And the girl in the back seat's like, ah! I don't know what the I'm doing. But it don't look good. I think I just took all kinds of weird shit.
Okay. And another thing he does that just drives me nuts. I just don't. Hey. All right, go ahead. And another thing, guys. One thing he does that drives me freaking.
Hey, son.
Hey.
What are you filming? I didn't know we were filming today.
I'm not.
You're standing in front of the camera. What do you mean you're not?
This is. So 4th of July. We are using the stencil of the month, which is, we don't even have a name for it, huh?
Yeah.
And I think I know what I'm saving up for now. This thing is amazing. Thanks, Bowtech, and thank you guys at Desert Archery. No, that sounds stupid as hell. Let's read.
Hey guys, all right. No, I've already said that. All right, guys, so we got it all laid out on the bench. Really cool. I love the little bet. No. All right. Now I'm ready. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do the review on this 10-inch
Job site
saw. So stick with us.
Let's try that again.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Eric, and today we are going to do a review. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do a review on the Vevor contractor table saw. Blah.
I was gonna say, I'll bring out the shotgun. I'll shoot them sons of.
It's illegal to shoot crows, though, isn't it?
There's a season for them, actually.
Is there really?
Yeah. Well, in California, no. I've heard that crow is just not. Oh, bad timing. Start that over. Well, we're doing the. Oh, dude. Come on. You're gonna get hit. All right. You done? You ready? All right.
Yeah. We can put that on the outtakes. Still like that.
Yeah, let's.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is the first video in a series of our sign carving trailer. Woo! All right, again. Slow it down. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is the first video in a series of our sign carving trailer. I was going good, yeah. Good. All right, guys, there you go. Our top 5 tips on how to sell products at events.
Let's try that again.
Yeah. Hey guys, it is about 7:30 in the morning on Saturday, and we are here for the demo. It's going to be about 12 hours that we're going to be here.
Yeah, this is just number 5. We're doing the intro later on.
Okay. All right. All right, you guys. This gives me an opportunity to tell you about. All right. Let's try that again.
So here's the deal, guys. We know that most of you that are. Try that again.
Okay. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed this video. No, because they haven't seen it yet. Hey guys, you know what? We are that close to getting 50,000. Getting? That doesn't sound right. Hey guys, we are that close to. That close. Hey guys, just so you know, we put a lot of work into this.
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be going over all things on our router sled. No, that sounds dumb.
Yeah, we're fine.
Oh, okay. Well, we are done with this thing. A couple things that we want to go over that I don't like that. All right. Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to modify our homemade router sled. It's been worked well.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be carving this awesome Flamebox Elder for our buddy Lance down at Kingman
Computer repair.
Computer Repair. And oh, dude, I was doing so good. Let's try that again. So if you got been, try that. All right, guys. So we got this thing carved, and we have the. Sorry, you threw me off when you tripped. So today, the sign we're going to be carving, we're going to be using the January 2023 stencil. Oh my God, dude! Try it again. And I will also link both of these in the description below. God. Do it again. Oops.
Then Makita doing this backwards is kind of odd. I have to stand up. All right, let's do that again. All right, guys, there you go. Hope you got a laugh out of that. We sure did. We love sharing not only our regular videos all year long, which there's a bunch of them. It's quite often that we have to retake and all of that. So hopefully some of these outtakes gave you something to smile about.
So guys, have a happy new year, have a safe new year, and we're excited for 2024. We got some big plans.
We got some great things coming, so stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you guys have suggestions of things you want to see, let us know.
Absolutely. You can email me, Ryan@makeawoodssign.com, or Dad,
Eric at makeawoodssign.com.
and we'll see you guys next year.
Love you guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.